Hi there, Attorney Benny here, bringing you the latest in the immigration update. We have heard that there's been an increase in the number of cases where USCIS officials visit the homes of people that have applied for married based green card. So today, I'm going to let you know what to expect if they visit your home. The primary purpose of the visit is to make sure that you are actually married to the person that you said you're married to and is getting a green card through you, or you apply for a green card through the person and you actually live together. The reason for this is that, except extraordinary circumstances, they expect married people to live together. Of course, if there's a reason that you don't live together, that is totally fine, but just let them know. So when they visit, they are looking for the person's belongings. So number one, they can say, "Show me your husband's clothes. Show me your wife's clothes." They can go into your room and say, "Where does your husband keep the socks? Where does your wife keep her hairnet and things like that?" They also observe when they go. So if there are cars at the residence, they would find out where the cars are registered to. So if I live on 123 Main Street and they see a car and this car and the car is registered to XYZ Leather Street, for them that's a problem because one would assume that if you live in the place, your car is registered to that place. They also look at the things around, like the pictures on the wall, and they can get very nitpicky. So be careful here. I read a case where during the interview they had asked that, "Where does your wife keep her wigs?" And the man said, "Oh, she doesn't wear wigs, she usually wears braids." And they visited the house and they saw pictures of her in wigs, and they said, "Listen, you are lying to us, because you said she always wears braids. However, she was wearing weaves." Please note, some of these things can definitely be counted. For example, if I don't like wearing wigs today and tomorrow I like wearing wigs, it's not an issue. But the problem is that they go and they look for things to try to poke holes in your argument. They look for things to try to question the legitimacy of your marriage. So be prepared. If your spouse is and they ask you to show your spouse's clothes, be prepared. They may ask to see where you do laundry. They may ask to see whether your spouse has letters. If you have children, they expect to see things that belong to children. They are looking out for toys. They are looking out for whether their children keep their clothes. So all of those things. That's all for now. Let me know if you have any immigration questions. Bye bye now.